In today's class or module, we will be addressing a crucial and sometimes daunting part of your EB2 and IW journey. That is responding to a request for evidence or an RFE. Don't worry though, with the right approach, you can handle an RFE effectively and keep your application on track. First, let's understand what an RFE or request for evidence is. An RFE is a request from USCIS for additional information or documentation needed to make a decision on your I-140 petition. Receiving an RFE doesn't mean your petition is denied. It simply means that USCIS needs more information to proceed with your I-140 petition. Let's have a discussion on an RFE outline. Basically, it will show the specific issues or deficiencies in your application. The RFE would also outline the additional evidence needed to proceed with your I-140 petition. And lastly, in the RFE, it would also show the deadline for your response. For example, in the letter, it will specifically mention you are supposed to respond within XYZ date. Responding to an RFE promptly and thoroughly is very crucial. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you respond effectively. Step 1. Understand the request. Carefully read through the RFE to identify what additional evidence is being requested. USCIS usually specifies the exact documentation needed, so please pay close attention to these details. It might be helpful to highlight or make notes on the RFE to ensure you don't miss anything critical. Step 2. Gather the required evidence. Start collecting the requested documents as soon as possible. Remember, you are working within a certain time frame. This may include additional proof of your achievement and qualifications. It could also include letters of recommendations or even additional letters of recommendation. Proof of your work's national interest impact could be additional documentations you may be asked to submit. Ensure all documents are well organized and clearly labeled to make it easy for the USCIS officer to review. Step 3. Write a cover letter. A well-written cover letter is essential. It should summarize the RFE request, provide a list of the enclosed documents, offer a brief explanation of how each document addresses the RFE. Now, make sure your cover letter is concise and to the point, but also detailed enough to clarify how you meet the requirement. Step 4. Review and assemble your response. Double check all your documents to ensure nothing is missing. Assemble your response packet in the order listed in your cover letter and include a copy of the original RFE notice. A well-organized response can make a big difference in how quickly and effectively USCIS can process your case. Lastly, submit your response. Mail your response packet to the address provided in the RFE notice. Use a reliable mailing service with tracking to ensure your documents arrive safely and on time. Keep a copy of your entire response packet and the mailing receipt for your records. Responding to an RFE might seem challenging, but with careful preparation and attention to detail, you can successfully address USCIS concerns and keep your EB2 NIW application moving forward. Remember, for those who will be using immigration attorney, a part of the retainer or the contract may stipulate that the RFE will be handled by immigration attorney. So you wouldn't have to worry if you go with an attorney who part of what he's charging you includes RFEs. But this is a high level step-by-step guide to helping you respond effectively. And congratulations, my friend, you made it to the end of module 5. You can follow me on YouTube at Rich Guide. On LinkedIn, my name is Richmond Adodankwa, and also on Facebook. I'll see you in the next module.